Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage the system navigation on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option System. Right here, let's tap on Gestures, and here go to Navigation Mode on the second position. As you can see here, we've got our two modes that we can choose from. So if you've got the gestures and you'd like to set the 3-button navigation, simply tap on this option and your device will immediately show you the buttons. You can tap on this edit icon, so settings icon, and you can manage the option to hold home for assistant. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. You can just manage it by tapping on this switcher, and this is all you can do with 3-button navigation. If you wish to set the gesture navigation, just tap on this option. You can see that now we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can tap on the settings icon, and here we've got more options. We can try a demo if you want to. Can go through the tutorial. Here you can swipe to invoke assistant. It's up to you whether you want to use it. And the back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you need to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.